Rockstar families, welcome to our weekly VODCAST. I am coming to you today live from the set of the 4th annual Room 21 Rockstar Grammys ceremony happening tomorrow in class, Rockstars. It is going to be an incredible day. And you know, Room 21 Rockstar families, I have to say that the portfolios that were submit for this year's Grammys ceremony are the best yet. The 4th year that we have been doing the Grammys in Room 21, this is the best set of portfolios that the scholars submit on Friday. The panel of judges for the Grammys was absolutely blown away and absolutely so proud of you, Room 21 Rockstars. You guys did such an amazing job. So, I have a couple of quick announcements, and then I'll get you guys right over to the strategy session. First of all, this week is Spirit Week. Attached to your newsletter for the week, you guys received a page that looks a little something like this. So, this week's Spirit Week of Room 21 Rockstars is geared around our 4 Academy houses. So, as you can see, we have Wear Red, Wear Blue, Wear Green, Wear Orange, and Barrett Spirit Day. It is going to be amazing. Now, I know we have a little bit of a conflict with tomorrow. You guys are permitted to dress up if you want to. We will have many special guests in their very best ball gowns and all here to present a bunch of awards. And in the past, we've had many scholars dress up, but it is certainly not something that you guys have to do. Don't forget, you do have PE happening in the afternoon, so that's really important to keep in the back of your mind. But Spirit Week is happening this week. Make sure you wear these colors. House points will be awarded. It is going to be an incredible week. A couple of other quick announcements, guys. First of all, we have our algebra readiness test coming up on Thursday. That's one of the components in the placement of the Room 21 Rockstars for their middle school math class. So just keep that in mind. That's coming up on Thursday. In addition, kind of coming up down the road, our first SOL reading is happening next Tuesday, and that date would be May 16th. Just remember to have your scholar on school on time, because as soon as we get in that testing room, we can't let anyone else in. In addition, make sure that they have a great night's rest the night before. They are so prepared. It's going to be a great way for them to show what they know. One other thing that I did advertise, guys, is each 5th grade class has their own Barrett Academy graduation, all 5. Ours happens to be on Friday, June 9th, 2017 at 6:30 p.m. at North Stafford High School. It is going to be a magical evening. More information will be coming home very soon. One other thing I wanted to show you guys. In the Friday folder this past week, I sent home this hot pink reminder for our field trip coming up on Saturday, our class trip to Washington, D.C. It is going to be an amazing day. At the bottom of the form, I just kind of updated you with what I have so far, Room 21 Rockstar families. I told you if I have permission. I told you if for your child to attend. I have whether you'd like to chaperone. I'd also like to know if you're willing to drive and how many your vehicle can hold. And I also have if you have paid for the trip. That was sent home. Just kind of a quick reminder. Coming home on Wednesday and or Thursday, one of those 2 days, I'll be sending home just a quick reminder of items that your scholar should pack, what should they wear, different things like that. But just a really quick rundown. First of all, make sure your scholar is dropped off at the main lobby here at Barrett by 8 a.m. We'll be taking off shortly after, unless, of course, you're a chaperone. In addition, make sure they wear their blue Room 21 Rockstar t-shirt. Make sure they dress for the weather. I just checked Weather Channel. It said 63 and cloudy. Looks like they took the rain chance out. It's only down to 20% now. So just make sure they're in comfortable, clothes, maybe a sweatshirt, a hoodie, something like that. In addition, comfortable walking shoes. We will be doing a ton of walking, and that is the other component that's going to be necessary coming up on Saturday. It's going to be an amazing class trip, guys. I can't wait to take it with all of you. So, more information will be coming home Wednesday or Thursday as we get closer and closer. Only a couple days out now to our class trip to Washington, D.C. I know I cannot wait. One other thing I wanted to do is congratulate, first of all of the Room 21 Rockstars who were in Aladdin Jr. It was absolutely phenomenal. Your absolute courage, perseverance, effective effort, belief made that show one that will never be forgotten, and it was amazing. So congratulations to all of you, Room 21 Rockstars. I was so proud of each and every one of you the other night. In addition, our Room 21 Rockstar of the Week is Gracie DeSouza. Gracie was incredible this week in class in terms of her leadership in class, in terms of her no fear, and in terms of her overall effective effort. All of those components put together in all aspects, all throughout the building, made her this week's Rockstar of the Week. Congratulations, Gracie. Very proud of you. Now I'm going to send you guys back over to the strategy session, and I'll see you on the other. Hey there, Room 21 rock stars. Welcome to our weekly strategy session. Starting us off on the home of Record Rockstars, recordrockstars.weebly.com. A couple of quick things. First of all, guys, the Grammys are happening tomorrow. I cannot wait for this special event to take place and kick off in our classroom. I'm so incredibly proud of each and every one of you and the effective effort that you put forth for your writing portfolio. Remember, that is happening tomorrow. You guys are permitted to dress up if you would like. In addition, we have our Science SOL Review Guide. I am going to revise and update this tomorrow in class, guys, because we're a bit off of schedule, and I want to make sure we spend a little more time on Sun, Moon, Earth. So just keep in mind, we're going to revise that in class tomorrow, and then I will put the new revisions up on our website. But don't forget, the 4th grade standards are available here for review, and then the 5th grade are here in case that you forget your booklet at school one day. Those are all always available right there. In addition, our House Point Race Scholars is so incredibly close. And if you think about it, with less than 30 days of school left, we are really getting down to the end. It is so incredibly vital that you earn as many house points as possible because every point counts. We learned that 2 years ago when Orange House beat Red House by 1 point for the house championship at the end of the year. And right now, Blue House just took the lead for this week. But if you take a notice, we're only about 250 to 300 points apart from one another. Guys, it is going to be an amazing, amazing end of the school year, and every point is so vital. So if I take you to the parent section and our weekly class newsletter, I did put some house point opportunities that you can go ahead and complete on the back of the newsletter this week, dealing with stem and leaf plots, mean, median, mode, range, and median, in addition to the question of the week, which you can answer for 5 house points as well. Although this is not a double house point week, scholars, every single point counts. And you guys know how vitally important it is for you to be working to earn every point possible. So, heading on over to the different activities that you can use this week at home to earn some house points and cement down the things that we've been learning. Any of the concepts, including measuring angles, classifying triangles, classifying quadrilaterals, area and perimeter, volume, diameter, radius, circumference, customary metric units, metric conversions, and those are all worth 1 point, any of the activities that you complete there. Stem and leaf, as long as you haven't already completed them, mean, median, mode, range, those are all worth 2. As long as you write down your work, bring it in, show me it, those are all worth 2 points. In addition, we do have the SOL Review Lab website, Jefferson Labs, guys. And remember, a couple of VODCasts ago, I showed you how you could actually log on and save your work and select how many problems you want, and it'll keep track of everything that you're doing time after time. So each of those problems is also worth 2 house points as long as you write down your work, show it, bring it on in. You'll also earn points for that as well. Our math review for the week, I've changed it up a bit. I have a data set here. First of all, I'd like you to write down all the numbers that are composite, and then order the data from least to greatest, create a stem and leaf plot, and then find the mean, median, mode, and range for that particular data set. Our math problem of the week deals with order of operations. It's called confusion rules, and it's actually a really great problem to help you to kind of review and refresh the different order of operations procedures, and to kind of go a little deeper with it than just thinking about PEMDAS. So that's worth 10 house points if you complete that. As well as I have a brand new puzzle up. It's called Packing Crates. And the directions are very straightforward. It's not necessarily a crossword, scholars, but it's very similar in kind of the makeup, kind of like a Sudoku type thing with the clues available there. And then obviously writing, we're going to take the week off this week, guys, as we are finishing up the Grammaries tomorrow in class and celebrating with an epic celebration and continuing the tradition that we started 4 years ago. So, with that being said, scholars, the secret hashtag for the week is actually hashtag mangoes. Hashtag mangoes. That will make more sense tomorrow in class. But in the meantime, make sure you bring it with amazing passion. I cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow. And at this time, I'm going to send you guys back over to Mr. Reichard in person. Rockstar families, I hope that those strategies were successful. I cannot wait for the 4th annual Grammaries happening here in Room 21 tomorrow. The Rockstars are going to have an amazing day. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, do not hesitate to contact me. Each and every one of you are the very best families in Stafford County, Virginia. And I will see you all next week.